Mobile gaming just hit a whole new level. The RAZER Kishi V3 lineup is here, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a complete evolution of how you game on the go. Whether you're rocking an iPhone, Android, or even a tablet, RAZER has something insane for you. In 2025, RAZER dropped 3 powerful models in the Kishi V3 series. Kishi V3, the portable powerhouse for everyday phones. Kishi V3 Pro, a pro-grade controller for phones, small tablets, and even PCs. And the Kishi V3 Pro XL, a beast built for full-size tablets like the iPad Pro. So what's new? Let's dive in. The Kishi V3 is your plug-and-play go-to. It's compact, ergonomic, and designed for iPhone 15, 16, and most Androids. With RAZER's tactile microswitch buttons and quiet D-pad, it feels like a real controller, not some cheap plastic toy. And yes, it charges your phone while you play, and it's got a headphone jack. Old school, maybe, but we call it essential. Next up, Kishi V3 Pro. This one's for the hardcore crowd. You get swappable TMR thumbsticks, extra back buttons, and RAZER's new HD haptics, so every shot, drift, or spell feels next level. And guess what? It even works with PC games via USB-C. It's like turning your phone into a full-blown console. And then there's the Kishi V3 Pro XL, the first mobile controller made for full-size tablets. Think iPad Pro, iPad Air, even big Android tablets. It wraps around your screen like armor, adds extra grip, and delivers a pro controller experience on a cinematic display. Perfect for xCloud, GeForce Now, or Apple Arcade in 13 inches of gaming glory. All models include Apple Arcade trials, USB-C pass-through charging, and full integration with the RAZER Nexus app, letting you customize layouts, remap buttons, and even launch games instantly. So whether you're a casual mobile gamer or a cloud streaming warrior, the RAZER Kishi V3 series delivers console-level control, built for the future of gaming. Pick your size, choose your level, and level up with the RAZER Kishi V3. Subscribe for more tech drops and reviews right here on Tech Talk.